Welcome to the video, and in this video we are going to explore the AI tools introduced by Codam team, which is completely a revolutionary platform. And I already share a video how you can get started with the Codam. And in this video we are going to explore the AI tools introduced by Codam team, and which is completely game changer for any developer out there who is struggling or try to learn something new things to develop their programming skill in 2023. So without wasting a time, we can get started. So first we have to go Kotlin playgrounds. Pick any programming language you are familiar with, and you can hit to Kotlin playground button, and you can start. So here we are. Here we select the JavaScript Kotlin playground, and uh, here I write some code with HTML template and the JavaScript file, and some little bit of CSS which is available on the Kotlin team, the default CSS written by one file. So so what tools and what things are going here, you must what we can say, you must check it out. You must try, at least try as a developer. So let's get started. So first thing first, if we are facing particular issue or particular problem, so we search on Google and we read a lot of articles, then Stack Overflow problems and a lot more things. But while creating application or developing application, just assume you have a AI buddy tool which help you with all those things, to from theory practical to understand a particular concept with the example. So like it's so easy to code while development. It's easy to figure out what's going on wrong in our code, or how we can improve, how we can scale our code, and how we can write actual scalable code, we say. So how we can use that tool. So Codam introduced a Javis, which is a AI based tool where you can just simply write any query that you, or any problem that you are facing. Just assume that we are try to use fetch API, which is already available in the JavaScript, and we don't know how to use fetch and what it is. So we have to just enter explain me fetch with example. So you have to put a well formatted string to get your answer, and yeah, and you can just hit enter, and the Javis create op- automatically all the theory material part with example, with actual use of fetch, the query that we are trying to learn, or we are trying to solve. So here is the example, is that, so let's make it big. So here is a answer that we got. Fetch is a built-in JavaScript method, or we can say the API, we can say, which we don't need to install or import, which is already available in JavaScript. So yeah, like it's pretty much short and sweet in a short term, good answer. And with the example fetch, you can put API and then response, then it's particular, this is API, any type that you want to use, and this is the for getting response in a JSON format. You can also get in any of HTML text. You can put anything in the response section. Then we are logging the data, the JSON format, and if uh, is there particular issue while fetching a data, and we are catching error through the catch. So this is the example. This is the complete explanation of the code. What it returns a JSON data representing to do item. We call JSON, then console.log, then what catch function will do, and it pretty much about thing. So this is the first part of the AI tool introduced by Codam. What are the next thing that you can do with the Codam? So just figure out. And here is the second part where we are going to use a code debug tool introduced by Codam team, and the idea behind it is debugging code. It's sometimes many of the developers don't do or don't know. So what you can do, you have to just type your file name and paste your code down here. So I already written some code in the file and just I'm copy pasting, and you have to put the problem that you're facing or the thing that you want to get from this code. So just like explain me this code or particular method, you can try pretty much thing with the your code. That I'm here explaining my code. So here is the result. This code defines is less than text that take the numbers as an argument, which is completely right, and then this will reject methods and all the things. So this is a very basic example which I share. So if you are someone who is completely new or experienced and looking for tools to simplify your work, so you should definitely check it out. Just try and check what works for you, and definitely it will help you. So thanks for this video, and hope you will find, and there are pretty much new updates available on a Codedam platform itself, so go and check. Thank you for tuning.